Hello everyone! Today we are checking out a famous buffet here in Manila kung saan may 100 types of food choices sila na dito ay makikita mo ang iba't ibang klase ng cuisine like Filipino, Chinese, Japanese at mga Western food. Napakadami rin nilang choices for dessert at may hotpot din, kaya tara, samahan nyo kami, silipin natin at tikman ang ilan sa mga pagkain dito sa Food Club Manila, dito lang sa may Ayala Mall, Macapagal Avenue. At this point, alam ko na kung bakit maraming kumakain at bumabalik dito sa kanila. First of all, the place is very relaxing and merong magandang vibe. Parang hotel ang vibe, maganda ang lighting at syempre, ang main reason is the food. Yes, marami silang food choices dito, pero ang nagdala is yung flavor at lasa ng kanilang menu. Dahil sa experience ko on other buffets, lalo na kapag napakadami nilang food and tray, ay hindi na ganun kalasa ang food. Pero dito, masarap at fresh ang pagkakaserve ng food nila. Hindi ko natikman lahat sa sobrang dami nilang choices. Pero yung tumatak sa akin dito, sa mga natikman ko ay yung salmon. Napaka-sweet ng flavor at sobrang fresh. Masarap din yung kanilang spare ribs. Pero yung main attraction is yung lechon. Malasa at crispy yung balat. Ingat lang sa may high blood, baka pumutok ang batok mga chong. Sa kanilang roast beef, my tip is ordering nyo yung medium rare para malambot. Overall, nag-enjoy kami sa dinner namin and I would definitely come back to this place dahil masarap at napakarami nilang choices. As of now, may promo sila sa store na discounted prices. If you want to inquire on reservation, you can check them out on their Facebook page and I will also put their contact in the description here on YouTube and tag their Facebook on FB. So kung nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog natin, don't forget to like and subscribe here on YouTube and also follow me on my other social media account. on Facebook. And I will see you guys on the next one.